Isang English speaking na nagbebenta ng towel. Kaya naman, kinilig si ating crew.
Uy, sana all.
Go get yourself a man na magdadala ng Senomar bago magpaalam ang ligaw.
What?
Talaga na. Ako nag-request yan. Kasi kawawa naman anak ko. Diyos mayo. Oh, may pag...
Required na pala magdala ng Senomar ano, pag manlaligaw ka.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
Inalugo. Kahit inaalog si ate, cute pa rin. Oy, oy, oy. Totoo ba yan, mga barista? Totoo ba yan? Sana may nanonood na barista dito para i-confirm natin kung totoo, di ba? Nakakaganda daw kasi. Lalo pag ganyan, na-appreciate mo yung art ng kape. Tama ba? Tama ba?
We do not care.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ไม่ได้แล้วโอ้กูอยู่ไม่ได้แล้ว
Huli! Huli ka ate.
กูอยู่ไม่ได้แล้ว
Oh guys, nagpapanggap lang na hindi malakas yung mga babae. Pero tignan mo, kayang buhatin pala yung gasol.
Mindset ba? Mindset? Ako na rin ba? Babae ako ngayon. Sige, go. Kuya, ano pong pangalan nyo? Kuya. 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 Ano pong pangalan nyo?
Hindi tayo talob eh.
Magaling, 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 magaling. At dahil dyan, 10 ka sa akin out of 10.
10,000!
Ah. Uy,
Did I just witness magic or some shit? What the fuck?
mukhang lucky charm niya yung beer niya.
Sana all.
Tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Ba't adan? Alam mo ba? Mahal mo na. Wala tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Ba't adan?
Todo yaka ba? Kahit purong lalaki ka kung pogi yung movie rider, no? O papayakap ka ng sobra. Buti na lang, pangit ako.
Sinungaling!
Hey kids, this is mom and dad.
Oh! Advance, advance. Maganda yung ganyan ano, pag nagkatuluyan kayo ha. Tapos ipapakita nyo sa soon na anak nyo. Eto kami, nung kabataan kami anak. Pero malas lang kung magbe-break kayo.
Tarantado pala to eh.
Sorry, anong title nun?
Nagloko ka rin naman.
Katrin, tinanong mo ba kasi? Masakit ba?
Buti nga sa'yo.
Lalala. Lalaki lang makaka-relate dito. Yung kinukompute mo na yung mga magagastos mo, kaya nagastos mo sa date. Ay, mga tol, ganyan ba kayo?
Uy, Jo Marie, sa'yo na lang, oh.
Hindi, okay lang. May tubig naman ako eh.
Hindi, wala ka neto. Sa'yo na,
Pwede ko
sa'yo
naman
na.
inumin to, tubig eh.
Wala ka nga neto. Oh, sa'yo na.
Ano ba yan?
Wala ka yan eh. Kailangan mo yan.
Jowa.
Basahin mo, sige.
Joe.
O, di ba? Kailangan mo.
Gusto mo matapunan na soft drinks?
Kasing pogi ko lang si Jo Maria, pero bakit kami wala pang jowa, di ba? Kahit ako, tinatanong ko na yung sarili ko eh.
Hindi mo alam kung bakulaw ka.
Eto na naman. Eto na naman si ating cute. Aba? Kunin mo na yung cellphone, wag lang yung pagkain. Yan dapat ang hanapin nyo, boys.
There she is, my beautiful wife, mother of my children, my best friend. I'm so lucky.
me like that?
What do you mean?
What's wrong with your face?
What's wrong with what?
You look like an idiot.
Inadmire mo siya, tapos ganyan pala yung sasabihin sa'yo. Saklap, men.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito.
That's my mom putting gas because she got no man. Ay, gicker.
Aray ko! Galing sa anak mo.
Aray ko.
Yes.
Nagpapansin ah. Ba't dito sa Pilipinas walang gumaganyan? Dito nyo kaya gawin sa Pilipinas nang malaman.
Yeah, boy.
Me when his mom said that we don't have ice cream. Inasar pa yung bata.
Gago!
Yung ayaw mo na magpulutan kasi nandyan na jowa mo. Kaya naman pala ayaw magpulutan eh. Ikaw talaga, Jorem eh. Yung jowa mo gusto mo pulutanin eh.
Pabukas nga din. Wag na! Kanya ka lagi pag inuutusan. Makatamad.
Toyo ang puto.
Kakasabi pa lang, tamad na. Gano'n ba kalaki yung toyo niya?
Can I know your name, girl? You look so damn fine.
Uy!
I think you got my heart stung, girl.
Uh-huh.
Just wanna show him a towel. It's the beautiful towel you ever seen in your life, girl. Hey, girl, come on, notice me, girl. Look at that shit. Come on, girl, touch it, girl. Come on.
Galing ah.
Like it's so smooth like your skin, girl. Am I right? So beautiful like your face. So what you think, girl? Can you buy me some towel?
Uyo!
I'm not joking, no cap. I think you got my heart stung, girl. Goddamn. You got me love at first sight, baby.
Wow,
What I'm talking
damn.
about. So what you think? Can you buy me some towel, baby? Tawang tawa yung ano mo.
Panis! Panis kayo, man. Alam mo, foreigner si tropa, no? Binentahan lang si ating crew, kinilig pa.
Uy, sana all.
Well, ate, he's admiring you. Huwag mo nang pakawalan.
Bola lang yan.
Yeah, good. Life find love this
Sabi ni Lord, nagbibideo ka ba? I-delete mo yan.
Paano masabi?
Nakaranas ba kayo ng ganyan, tol? Yung may lakad kayo or date kayo ng jowa mo tapos sumakit yung paa. Well, as a gentleman, kailangan mong ipagamit yung sapatos mo para hindi masaktan yung girl, di ba? Sino-sino mga gentleman dito? Paki-comment nga. Tol, lagot ka pag nakita ng jowa mo yan.
Baliw ka yata eh.
Alam naman, nahulog. Epic fail. Okay na sana, Brad eh. Sweet sana yung tol, kaso nga lang, awkward.
Tanga talaga.
When you were strong, independent woman all day at work. And now, it's time to be a baby girl. Kailangan mong i-baby kasi pagod na pagod yan. Kailangan mo ulit pagodin. Ganon talaga yung mga bibi, di ba? Pag ginaplos mo, titigas yung ganon, yung ulo. Damn! Girls, matanong ko lang kung sinong mga nanonood na babae dito. Anong feeling pag hinahawakan kayo sa balakang? Ano yan? Umiinit ba kayo? Or naiihilang kayo? Ganun.
Sana all.
Yeah. Bailando contigo. Let's go. Know your body's got a
Instant! Ang lakas nun, tol. Instant famous ka dun. It's not about the place or money. It's all about the person. Tama, mga tol. Wala masabi. Tama nga naman yung quote. Pero bibihira lang yung ganyang babaeng naghahanap ng ano.
Okay.
You will not guess
Yeah, wait.
where I'm about to take you
Yeah,
right
that's
now.
what I was about to ask. Where are we going? You didn't even say.
To eat.
Okay, where?
You will not guess where I'm about to take you to eat.
Oh, so you want me to guess?
No, yes, guess. You will
Like,
not
I don't
guess.
know. Give me a hint. Like,
You love it,
I love
and it's
it.
what you want to eat.
Trick to
Oh,
guys, ha?
so you know what I want.
I'm telling you right now. Just guess where I'm about to take you.
Because I was literally gonna guess the sushi spot down the road. Remember I was talking about that? Is it?
No, you did not.
Is it?
We have a winner. The sushi spot, the place that's right down there.
Yes.
How did you know that?
What do you mean? How'd I know
Ang
that?
How
galing,
did
ha?
you just guess that?
I don't know, because I was talking about it. Remember the other day?
That was so random. What the
What
hell?
the hell?
How did
So
you know
we're
that?
going?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
You're being dead ass?
Of course.
Pero ang totoo niya, hindi talaga alam ng lalaki. Trick lang yun, guys, para malaman kung ano talagang gusto ng babae kainin. Kaya may natutunan kayo.
Stupid.
At yan, natapos rin ang mapanakit nating content. Sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat. Eto nga bala ang mga teams sana all natin. Shoutout sa inyong lahat.
Mamamatay at akong single. Wala nang akong pera nang hiya. Talo pa ako sa muka. Nakaka-bad trip talaga.
Bartags! What is your profession?